Hey everybody, it's me. Today we're going to be doing a tea dyeing tutorial. So this is just where you start. I've got 15 tea bags in here, and we're just going to add some water. I just only added two glasses of water. And then I'm going to turn it on high and let it come up to a boil. And I'm just using green tea because that's all I have. You can use any kind of tea. Black tea would probably be the best because you're going to get more of a dye out of it. But I just use a whole bunch of green tea bags because that's what I've got. And it would probably work with just hot water. I just like to bring it to a boil first. And as you can see, we're almost there. Alright, so now it's boiling. So now all we do is just turn it off. You're going to set it to the side and let that steep and cool down. Alright, so I've steeped my tea and I let it cool down so it's nice and dark. And now we're just gonna pour it into our container that we're gonna do our tea dyes in. Go ahead and wring out our tea bags. All right. Okay, so this is just a little plastic container, and I put paper towels in it. That's where we're gonna put our tea dyed papers when we're done. Here's my papers that I'm gonna tea dye, just an assortment. All right. Now we just I like to flip mine and make sure, because what I'm really trying to dye is this white part. So make sure it gets nice and covered. Put some more paper towels over that layer. And then we're just going to keep on dyeing. And this is just how I do it. I'm sure that there's 100 different ways to do this. This is just how I do it. And if the tea pools a little, that's fine. It'll just be a little more dyed in that area. These are just papers from like a little notebook. I like to use them in a junk journal. Oops. And I put paper towels between each layer. This just makes it a little easier to dry. And I don't have a whole lot of room in my house, so it just makes it a little bit easier for me because it's all in one spot. And also to kind of save space, I use the Selecta size paper towels. And I just put one right here on the edge and then put another paper. Right on top. And that's how I do my tea-dyed papers. Oh. Alright, so I just blow dried this one real quick so you can kind of see what the tea dyeing does. But there is our tea-dyed paper. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!